Introduce highlight features of HURRA dashcam front and rear, dash camera for cars, 1920x 1080p FHD dual dash cam. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This dual dash cam equipped with 1080p resolution front camera and waterproof rear camera. 3-inch super large display that can shows the real-time image, helps you see every details as clear as possible when playing back. Wide angle front, 170 degrees, and rear 140-degree camera help eliminate the blind spots of your vision to ensure a safer daily driving environment. The combination of f1.8 large aperture and WDR, the front camera captures the license plates and road signs clearly even at night. Dashcam makes night shots brighter and prevents overexposure under strong light, obtains crystal clear recording. Eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source even in low-light environments, making it easy to obtain sharp, color-accurate images. Seamless loop recording overwrites the old footage with new content when the card is full. G-sensor automatically detects a sudden collision, then immediately saves the unexpected driving incidents and locks it to the file, so preventing any overwriting and thereby protecting your video evidence. Keep you away from driving disputes. This dashcam supports up to 32 GB of micro SD card, note, card not included in package. The dashcam automatically powers on and starts recording once it detects bumps by someone in parking. This video will be saved and locked, thus providing you a video evidence. The car dashcam needs a constant power supply either from external battery pack or hard wire, hence ensuring your peace of mind with complete 24/7 monitoring of your car. Professional dashcam user manual could be found in package or product page. Easily mount to your car's windshield with the included suction cup or tape. Inserting SD card, not included, and connect to the power supply. The car dash camera will start recording immediately after igniting, shut down and save the video when you shut off the engine. You will get lifetime after-sales service and 24/7 technical support. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.